They say your life doesn't change overnight, but mine did at 5 a.m. Not because I found some magical hack, but because I finally asked myself one terrifying question. What if this is as good as it gets? That question changed everything. And it started with one quiet morning. 2 years ago, I was stuck. I wasn't unhappy, but I wasn't alive either. Waking up late, rushing to work, living in survival mode. And the worst part? I thought I was just being realistic. Until I stumbled on a video that simply said, "Control your morning, or your morning controls you." That line punched me in the gut. So I decided to experiment. 5 a.m. for 30 days. Just to see. The first few days? Hell, I'd hit snooze 3 times, then hate myself for it. It was cold. It was lonely. It was quiet. And I kept wondering, why am I doing this? No instant results. No dopamine. Just silence, fatigue, and regret. But on day 7, something shifted. I didn't open my phone. I made coffee slowly. I sat with a journal and wrote what I want to become. Not what job. Not what salary. But who? For the first time in months, I heard my own voice again. No noise. No pressure. Just intention. Day by day, the fog started to clear. Not because I was more productive, but because I was finally present. By day 21, I wasn't waking up early because I had to eat. I was doing it because I wanted to. It wasn't about hustling or doing more. It was about being more aware, more grounded, more intentional with my time, my energy, my thoughts. I stopped reacting to life and started responding to it. And the truth? My routine isn't perfect, but the person I've become because of it, that's the real transformation. You don't need a 20-step millionaire morning routine. You don't need lemon water and 2-hour meditations. You just need one decision. Take back the first hour of your day, because the world will always demand your attention. But your peace? That's something you choose. And sometimes, all it takes is waking up a little earlier to finally wake up to your life.